Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Python script to convert a video file into MP3 or audio file. So let's get started. So first of all, create a new project and then name it, and here we need to install a package called pip install MoviePy. Here is that, so just copy this text and then go to your terminal and then paste it here and click on enter. So once it's done, you just need to import our package. So import MoviePy.editor, and now to give the input file from the user, we will tap from kinter.file dialog, import all. So now I will define a video variable, and here I will ask from the user for the video file. So I will write ask open file name, and then I will initialize our video variable with the movie.py.editor. So I will tap video equal MoviePy.editor dot video file clip, and here pass the video variable. So now I will extract the audio from our video file. So I will write a variable called audio is equal to video dot audio file. Now we can write our audio file. So I will write audio dot write audio file, and here I will give a name, for example sample dot mp3. So now we can print our dialog that says completed. So that's the script, and now let's try to run it. So it's asking for a video file. So here I have a video file, which if you see, it's a song. So you just need to select your video and click on open. So you just need to wait for a few seconds. And you can see it says completed, and here we can see an audio file called sample.mp3. So I will go to the file, and here you can see, and if I open it, you can see it's audio. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.